Students, today I am going to discuss about basics of chemistry that will be very beneficial from competitive point of view. So what is, first of all, what is molarity? Number of solute present in 1 liter of solution, and it is denoted by capital M. Here the formula is number of mole of solute dissolved in per liter of solution, and it is further said that weight of and number of mole is what? Given weight upon molar mass, that is denoted by W2 and M2. So molarity is number of moles, that can be written as weight of solute divided by molar mass of solute and per liter. If volume of solution is given in ml, then it is multiplied by 1000. So this is molarity. Or you can say that molarity, here molarity terms come from liter. So you can either differentiate by the term, and in molality there is no liter terms. Now next is what is molality? It is defined as number of mole of solute present in 1000 gram of solvent, which can be denoted by small m. Here number of moles dissolved in per 1000 gram of solvent, that can be written as kg. Weight of solvent is W1. Here again number of moles is what? Weight of solute divided by molar mass of solute, and here weight of solvent, that is given in per kg, that is gram, into that is multiplied by 1000. So we can calculate molality. So basic difference is, here we can divide number of moles by 1000 gram of solvent, and here per liter of solution in molarity. That is the basic difference, or you can remember by the term. Here molarity liter, and in here molality does not comes liter. So that's the key point to remember. Again, keynote: if 0.25 mole per liter, that is 0.25 molarity solution of NaOH means given, that means what? 0.25 mole of NaOH dissolved in per liter of solution, because it is given in molarity, so that can be written in dissolved in per liter of solution. Now we solve some question that might clear your concepts. First question, that is calculate the molarity of 30 gram of CuNO3 twice .6H2O in 4.3 liter of solution. Here how can we calculate the molarity? Molar mass of CuNO3 twice 6H2O solute, that is, we calculate it, we learn in a previous class molecular mass, how to calculate? By calculating all the atomic mass together we get molecular mass of 291 gram per mole. Again, here mole of CuNO3 twice 6H2O, that is number of moles, is what? Given weight upon molar mass of solute. Here given weight is what? 30 gram, and molar mass of solute, that is 291 gram. So by dividing this we found 0.103 mole of number of mole are present. Again, molarity formula is what? Number of moles of solute. Molarity formula is what? Number of mole of solute dissolved in per liter of solution. So here number of mole is what? 0.103 mole, and dissolve in 4.3 liter of solution. Means liter is given what? How many? 4.3. Again by dividing we get 0.023 molar. So this is how can we calculate molarity. First we calculate number of mole of solute, and then by number of mole of solute we divide total molar mass of solute, and by obtaining number of mole of solute divide by per liter of solution. That is how many liter of solution is given in the question. So this is the way to calculate molarity. Now if we calculate separately mole fraction of different components, here it is formula: mole fraction is equal to number of mole of component divided by total number of component. That is denoted by XA. XA is mole fraction of solute or solvent, and Na is number of mole of solute or solvent divided by number of mole of solution, that is solute plus solvent. So this is the formula: number of mole of solute or solvent divided by total number of solution, that is solute plus solvent. Now moving toward next question. Calculate the molarity of solution containing 5 gram of NaOH in 450 ml of solution. Again it is saying molarity of 5 gram of NaOH in 450 ml of solution. Number of moles of NaOH, that is what 5 gram is given, upon total molecular mass of NaOH is 40. Here by dividing we get 0.125 mole of NaOH. Then volume of solution in liter, that is 450 ml, that is given. 450 ml divided by 1000 ml per liter. It is given in liter terms. Now molarity is equal to number of mole of solute, that is 0.125 mole, divided by volume of solution in liter, that is 450 ml. Liter is given, multiply by 1000, that is equal to 0.278 molar. That is the answer, 0.278 mole per liter, or it can be written in terms of decimeter, that is decimeter cube per cube. Now moving towards next question, that is Calculate the molality. Calculate the molality of 2.5 gram of ethanoic acid in 75 gram of benzene. Now, how to calculate molality? As you can study that molality is defined as number of mole of solute dissolved in 1000 gram of solvent. So, proceeding towards solution, molar mass of ethanoic acid is, by combining we can retain as C2H4O2, and molar mass is equal to 60 gram per mole. Now moles of ethanoic acid is number of mole of solute, that is 2.5 gram given, divided by total molecular mass, that is 60 gram per mole, is equal to 0.0417 mole. 0.0417 mole of ethanoic acid dissolved in 75 gram of benzene. Now what is mass of benzene in kg? That is 75 gram is given. 75 divided by 1000 gram per kg, that can be written in scientific notation, that is 75 into 10 to the power minus 3 kg. Molality of C2H4O2, that is equal to moles of C2H4O2 divided by kg of benzene, because solvent is here work as benzene. Now moles of C2H4O2, that we calculate, that is 0.0417 mole dissolve in 75 gram of benzene, that is the solvent, and it is given in per kg, so we multiply by 1000 gram per kg, that is equal to 0.556 mole per kg, and this is what molality.